Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room price, bed type, amenities, facilities, and category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several categories of rooms are available. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and hotels are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. Planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel again. Then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will